Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Pay Me for My app to your website. And there are two main cases here, ways of going about this. So the first case is that you have a new website which you want to attach with your Pay Me for My AI app directly. And let me show you how that works. So once you're on your dashboard, go to the app which you want to publish. So in this one, the app that I will be publishing is called Logo DALL-E. And basically what it does is that it generates these logos using DALL-E uh, with a text prompt. So I bought this domain using Namecheap. It's called logodalli.shop. It doesn't matter which DNS website you're using. It could be anything: GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, Squarespace. You will basically need to copy the domain and go back to the dashboard and click on this publish option. Now, once you're here, you can basically paste the website name. So I'm going to paste logodalli.shop and then click on publish. You will notice that you will get these four NS records. So go back to your DNS website. So I'll go back to Namecheap. You will need to change this option to custom DNS. And once you do that, you will need to provide the values of those four name servers that you received on the on the dashboard. So I'm going to copy one by one each of them, and last one. And then once you're done, you can click on this tick mark. So now once that is done, you should wait for basically 24 to 48 hours for this change to propagate. And this, as I said, can be done on any DNS that you use. So for example, if you're on GoDaddy, they have a way to change the name service. If you're in namespace, there is a way to change the custom DNS. So whatever DNS manager you're using, look for a way to change the custom DNS records, so that basically we can get access to the to publishing the app to your website. So once this is done, you can close this or reset it in case you entered the wrong domain name. So I'm going to close this and just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and then once that once the change propagates, then you can simply go to this website, and you will see that it will basically have the same thing as your app. So this was the first case. If you want to use a new website, entirely new website, to a Pay Me for My AI app. Now the second case is where you already have an existing website and just want to publish your app to a subdomain. So what I mean by that is, well, I already have this website called haddock.ai, and it is another website of mine that I own, and it is basically an AI platform for game engines. But now, let's say what I want to do is use logo.haddock.ai and attach it to Logo DALL-E. So if someone goes to logo.haddock.ai, they should be it should show the same app. So if you want to do this, first of all, you should once again go to publish and hit reset. So I'll reset it because I'm changing the custom domain. So so now if I go to publish, what I'm going to do is I will once again copy the name of the website, so logo.haddock.ai, and it doesn't, I don't need to put this. So and then I will click on publish. Once again, I'll get back these four records, and I will go to the I'll basically go to haddock.ai on my DNS once again. So this time, instead of changing the custom DNS, you need to add records to your DNS. So on Namecheap, you can do this under advanced DNS, but yeah, I think it's pretty simple on other DNS managers as well, like GoDaddy and Google Domains. So I'll just add a new record, and I will select NS record. So this is important, and over here I will specify the basically the subdomain name. So over here, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to use the subdomain name, so logo, and that's all. And I will say, we'll just take this, and similarly, I'll add 4 NS records with the same thing. And we'll just do this quickly. NS records, logo is NS record. Done. Okay, so once this is done, it will again take from 24 to 48 hours for the change to reflect. If you try to visit before it, then yeah, you may notice some problems with the website, but yeah, for it to fully propagate with the HTTPS certification and Google authentication, just wait for 24 to 48 hours. And yeah, and that's so those are the 2 different cases which you can use. You should see for yourself which case helps you better, and let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help.